these are the list of some formulas, student, that we have to remember. On the basis of this, we have to solve our MCQ. The very first, if you will see, maximum number of electron present in a shell. So the formula is 2n square, where n is called principal quantum number. Maximum number of electron present in a subshell. So what should be this? This should be 2 into 2l plus 1. Maximum number of electron present in an orbital, always 2 electrons. Maximum number of orbital in a subshell, it is 2l plus 1. Angular momentum of electron, so it is calculated by h upon 2 pi into root of l plus 1. Only the formula we have to remember, where h is called Planck's constant and l is called azimuthal quantum number. Total number of orbital in a shell is formula is n square, where n is what? Principal quantum number. So these are the list of important formulas that we have to remember so that we can easily solve the asked questions.